How long does it take to replace an existing relay with a new IED? This long. You need to use the parameters of the existing relay, and there may well be several hundred of them. Then, you migrate them into the new IED. Next, you install the new IED, which is, of course, different from the existing one. Test it, correct any errors, and commission it. If you have 100 protection relays, replacing them will take this long. And replacing the installed base of ABB relays alone would take this long. However, there is an alternative. This is John. John and his team explored the logic of a 20-year-old relay and migrated it into a modern IED.
Several weeks.
The ABB Relay Retrofit Program was created. The program cuts the working time from days to hours and eliminates all errors. The program includes everything required and covers all phases of replacing relays. The new IED, protection and control devices of the Relion product family. Migration support tool. It creates a perfect copy of the existing relay and uses the existing parameters to configure the new IED. Time? Ready. The ready-made wiring harnesses with markings that correspond to both the existing relay and the new IED. Time? Ready. A customized cutting tool to extend the cutout for mounting the new IED. For certain types of relay, cover plates to fit the IED perfectly into the panel. Time? Ready. With the ABB Relion test box, testing template, and test device, all the basic functions of the new IED can be tested in an easy, reliable manner. Time? Ready. Retrofitting one relay will only take you about an hour. There's no risk of errors or surprises. No additional time is wasted. Today, the ABB Relay Retrofit Program is available for selected ABB relay types. And John and his team continue exploring the logic of 20-year-old relays and migrating them into modern IEDs, saving you time and trouble.